task management page is really a quick access to all of the tasks. So if you don't want to be drilling down through projects and you just want to see what tasks you've got to work on today, irrespective of the project, then this is where you would come. Again, this is tasks that are internal to the business, could be client related, but they are not on the external workspace. And so the task management page has been designed so that you can see this information quickly. So the quick view here is similar to what you see on the business portal actually. You can quickly jot down any new tasks, thoughts, anything that you want to remind yourself of in the quick log. You get quick access to anything critical, overdue, show me all the active tasks, reminders, outstanding issues, on hold, and by status. So if it's slightly more detailed than the combination of the quick log area here and the reminders section here. So it's kind of amalgamating the two together with a general catch-all in the middle. So that's a quick view of all of the tasks. So it doesn't matter where they are. So as you can see, we have complete tasks here from Project A, Project A, Project B, we've got another Project A, we've got something that's not at all linked to a project here. If you want more information so you know where it is, then we can go to properties and we can say, oh, show me the client it's linked to. The naming that I just put on happened to link because the name of that task happened to be rather uninspired, and I just called it Project A, Task 1, Client B, etc. So you can link in the client, you can link in the project. There you go. So you can see what you're looking at. So let's leave it at that for now. And as you can see, this task here is linked to a project, but it's not linked to a client. This task here, click out so it's not all blue. This task here is standalone. It's not linked to any project or any client. And of course, it can be linked to a client without being linked to a project, and so on. So any combination of things happen. The task management area page is all about just looking at tasks in their own right. So you could give this to team members to work through their own tasks and forget about everything else. Further down is pretty much more the same. So we're still looking at tasks. All of this is the same data. It's just different views of it. So the task in progress section, you can filter by those tasks that are due today, due tomorrow, due this week, those that are in progress, etc., etc. The planning ones will be all those that have yet to start or are in plan. So unplanned is not started, planned is obviously in the planned status, and then if we've got any on hold, and then the completed tasks displays anything that has been completed. So all levels of tasks you will find in the task management area.